can be tough to gain weight, let alone muscle. The last thing you want to do is buy expensive protein powders, take dangerous supplements, or follow a complicated diet plan. Why not give these foods a try instead? This list of the top takes on muscle-building foods will help you build lean muscle in no time and feel less hungry. Pick up something new today. 1. Eggs. Eggs are some of the best muscle-building foods you can eat. They're high in protein, contain all 8 essential amino acids, and are inexpensive. Besides, who doesn't like an omelette or a scramble for breakfast? 2. Peanut butter. We're not talking about the reduced fat stuff here. If you're looking to gain weight, go for a regular peanut butter with at least 90% fat. You'll get more calories and a filling sensation that will keep you from eating so much of other empty calories throughout the day. Stay with us to know more about muscle growth. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video to never miss our new plan to help you boost your metabolism. 3. Oats. A second breakfast doesn't have to be a bad thing. Oats are high in protein and release a hormone that keeps you feeling full for longer, so you won't fill up on empty calories like sugary cereals. They're also a great source of soluble fiber, which can help lower blood cholesterol levels. Start the day off right with soluble rich grains like oatmeal. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a superfood, especially if you're trying to build muscle fast. It's very high in iron, which is essential for muscle growth. It's also high in protein and fiber and contains nutrients that can help you feel fuller for longer. Try a spinach salad with grilled chicken or fish, or add it to an omelet or scrambled egg. 5. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is your friend if you're trying to put on size. It contains more calories than white bread without the chemical additives often found in today's sliced breads, which trick the body into thinking it has eaten enough food. Use whole grains like breads and pasta in place of white versions, and choose foods like whole wheat cereals instead of those drenched in sugar. 6. Crackers. These delicious crackers are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including iron and zinc. You'll get all the energy you need to build muscle in the morning, right when your body needs it most. You won't feel hungry or have deep problems like many other tried and true muscle-building techniques can cause. Start your day off right. 7. Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict is one of the most traditional ways to start a brunch, but it's also one of the best. The eggs are packed with protein and cholesterol, which is necessary for muscle growth. It's also high in calories and contains plenty of healthy fats, which your body needs to burn fat while gaining muscle. 8. Yogurt. Yogurt is high in calcium, which is very necessary to gain muscle. The extra calcium helps your muscles and bones grow stronger, so you'll have little trouble putting on lean muscle and staying healthy. Look for low-fat yogurt if you want more protein, but ice cream is always a great choice too. 9. Salmon. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. One 12-ounce serving of salmon has only 170 calories, which leaves room for other muscle-building foods. Plus, it's very lean, so you'll stay healthy and not feel stuffed. 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the most traditional muscle-building breakfast foods. It helps put the steel in steel-cut oats. Oats are very high in fiber and protein, 2 things your body needs to build muscle mass. Start off each morning with a bowl of oatmeal to keep you feeling full for hours. Why do you need to gain muscle? When you have more muscle, you get stronger and have better endurance. Your muscles burn more calories all day long, so you can lose those last stubborn pounds while gaining muscle. You'll also feel healthier and less stressed out, which will make it easier to work out consistently and eat nutritious food. The benefits are many. Learn how to build muscle faster with any of these through the bodybuilding tips below. How to gain muscle easily. Gaining muscle is simple. However, you will need to build your body through the right kind of exercise and healthy diet. So here are some ways of how to build muscle easily and fast with most effective ways. Weight training exercise is a must in any weight gain program. You don't have to be a gym person, but resistance training is critical for building lean muscle mass. Cardio training is also important when it comes to shedding fat and gaining lean muscle mass gradually over time. You should do light cardio at least 3 days a week for at least 30 minutes each time. Diet is critical in any weight gain program. You have to eat a lot of calories if you're trying to build lean muscle mass. Sleep is important when it comes to building muscle. Read a book for at least 30 minutes before bedtime so that you can fall asleep faster. Drink plenty of water daily to avoid dehydration, which will damage the protein synthesis process in your body and can prevent muscle gain. Drink milk. It contains calcium, which is necessary for the development of bones and muscles, and also helps you gain weight easily. Eat a varied and nutritious diet. A high-protein diet will help you gain muscle quickly and efficiently. If your goal is to gain weight, then you should eat foods like eggs and milk. One 12-ounce serving of salmon has only 170 calories, which leaves room for other muscle-building foods. Plus, it's very lean, so you won't feel stuffed. Your body needs energy to build muscle, so make sure that your intake of carbohydrates is at least 2 grams per pound of your body weight daily. That's 150 grams for a 150-pound person. What will happen to your health? When you want to gain weight fast, you need to eat more calories than what your body needs. If you don't do this, then it will be very hard for you to put on weight. So try increasing your intake by 500 to 1,000 calories every day. And if it's possible, try doing this without gaining fat. If that is too much for you, then just make sure a majority of the extra calories come from healthy protein and carb sources like peanut butter and whole grains. If you want to gain muscle mass, then eating on time is important, as this will give your body enough time to digest the food before moving on to the next one. It will also give you enough time to rest after a workout. How to gain muscle mass? The basic principles. Gaining muscle mass is as simple as eating a lot of calories and having a good exercise plan. There are 2 main ways in which dietary changes can lead to rapid muscle gain: increased protein intake and increased calorie intake. Increase your protein intake by eating a well-balanced diet that contains high-quality protein foods. You can also take supplements in the form of a protein shake. Increase your caloric intake by eating food that is higher in calories, and you'll need to eat more than what you burn through active activities. The research is clear. If you want to gain muscle mass, you need to increase your total daily calorie intake. If you are following a diet and wanting to gain weight, then make sure that the majority of calories come from high-quality protein foods like milk, eggs, and cheese. If you are exercising regularly, then get at least 30 minutes of cardio workout, which burns about 100 calories every day. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about your muscles. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.